Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is a very special day for us. It is Varun's birthday and he's not a very cake person. उनको अच्छा ही नहीं लगता जब मैं केक बनाती हूँ. One bite of the cake and the rest of it is for the family. So today we've decided to make his favorite Kadha Prasad. And it's not the way I make it. He doesn't like the way I make it. He likes the way Amara makes it because it comes out perfect. So today I'm just going to stand here and watch while Amara's going to do everything. So, shall we get started?
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna start with our chashni and we're gonna pour in 1 cup of sugar into 2 cups of water. And because my dad likes it with kishmish, we're gonna put some kishmish, around 20 to 25 kishmish. And just 4 to 5 green cardamom. Okay, and while that's going, we're going to put 1 cup of ghee in our pan.
So, now that the ghee is hot, what are we going to do?
We're gonna put in our atta, 1 cup.
Well, this is Kadha Prasad, so we are using organic atta. And this is 1:1 ratio. That's how Varun likes it. When I make it, he always complains. Either it's less ghee or less sugar. But Amara makes it perfectly.
Okay, so we have to put this on a medium heat and just keep stirring it. You have to constantly stir it and cook it. So this is boiling and you can see how the color has already browned considerably in just 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. But we're going to cook it for a little bit longer because we like it to be really dark brown when we add the water. So we have to move our chashni off heat once it's boiled. And once this has browned as per our liking, we're going to add it into this. Now it's browned as per our liking, so we're going to take it off heat. And you can already see the oil separating from the atta.
This is a very crucial step. Watch it carefully. We are mixing the chashni. बहुत धीरे से ऐड करना है जिससे कि वो जले ना. This is the only thing that Amara needs me for in the video. Otherwise, she does it all herself. Amara, come back and do this now. Okay. Look at that gorgeous color. Amara, you are just too good at this. Papa would be so proud.
So it doesn't take too long. It's already forming its shape and it's a nice brown color because we browned our mixture, our atta and ghee mixture long enough. Okay, so you can see the ghee floating on the sides and we have decorated the almond slivers to form a V. So now there's raisins and almond slivers in here, which is the perfect combination for my dad.
The way it is made in the Gurudwara, he really enjoys it in that manner. The color is perfect, the texture is amazing, and of course, once he tastes it, he'll know whether it has come out perfect. Thank you so much for watching. It has been a pleasure making this video with Amara.
And we'll see you next time.
Happy birthday, Babus.
Happy birthday, Papa.